Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Civilka Ada 1M. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel Civilka Ada 1M and hit the bell icon to get the notification so that you cannot miss any of my videos. So in this video, I would like to explain how to insert the smart art graphics into our PowerPoint presentation. So how we can show the various smart art graphics to look or to understand the content what we are showing on a particular slide. So we'll see that in this video completely, all the various smart art graphics. So do watch the video till the end. So if you want to insert this type of graphic, how we can do? So I'm going to explain all the different smart art graphics, or else this type, or like this type. So we'll see all the different smart art graphics. So how to insert that? So go to insert, so file, home, insert, right? So click on insert and click on smart art. So after that, here different options we have. So list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relations, matrix, pyramid, picture, office.com. So different styles we have. So based on our requirement, we can select the smart art graphics. So if you want to give any list out of any different terms, so we can go for this smart art graphic. So you can select any one of that and click on OK, then this will be appear. So if you want to change the colors, so go here, click on change colors and select the required colors. So I am clicking on this. So if you want to write, suppose here, give the title. So give the title. So simply I am giving the concrete technology. So you can go for different units in that, or topic related to this concrete technology. So you can type here, click on here and you can type like concrete. So you can type the text by clicking on that particular block. So in this way you can insert this type of list smart art graphic. So we'll see the other one. So insert smart art process. So I am clicking on this. So you can select any of this and next. So change colors here, click on change colors. So you can insert picture here and you can write text here. So you can insert the pictures by clicking on the first one, and by clicking here you can insert the pictures like from a file or online. So right now I am selecting the online pictures. So right, I am searching for cement, enter. It is loading. So select any of the required picture. So randomly I am selecting one. So that picture has came. If you want to explain anything about that, you can explain here. So you can write here cement. So like that you can select any of one of the picture and you can write the content related to that particular picture. So if your content is like point wise, you can give like cement here and point of that, so explanation of that cement. So like that you can insert the picture here and you can explain the about the picture in this block. So we'll see the next smart art graphic. So go to insert, smart art. So I am selecting cycle. So select any of the required graphic based on your content. So randomly I am going for this. Okay. So you can change the colors from here. So click on that and select the required color format and write the content here in the text. So simply I am writing concrete. So if you want to explain about the concrete variants, ingredients of the concrete, so cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, water. So like just I have explained the definition of the cement, like concrete. So concrete is a mixture of cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate with proper proportion of water. So like that. So if you want you can change the font, all that. So I am going to explain that also in the next videos. So if you want to increase, you can increase by clicking here. So as I want the fine aggregate in one line, I am increasing this block. So you can increase that. So if you want you can move it also. So click on this. If you want to move, you can move to the required position. So I am just changing the font here. So I want to increase the size of this. So I have increased it. So like that you can increase the size also. So in this way you can insert the any of the smart art graphics so that it will be easily, and it will be, this slide will be attractive, and the information what you want to explain will also be reaching to the persons. So we'll see the another formats. So smart art, so hierarchy. So you have different formats here, different smart art graphics. So I am randomly selecting one and go to change colors and change the required color, and you can write the hierarchy wise, like from top to bottom, like that. If you want to explain about anything, like executive engineer is there, so AEE, then assistant executive engineer, so AEE, like that. So next executive engineer, assistant executive engineer, assistant engineer, like that. If you want to explain any hierarchy manner like that, you can go for this smart art graphic. So moving to the next, insert, smart art. So relations, any relationship. So randomly I am selecting here. If you want to explain about particular thing, you can explain here in this way, or else click on go for change colors. So you can give the content here and you can explain here. So here image, you can explain about that. So like that you can insert different smart art graphics. So smart art, any matrix form, so that also you can select. So these are different smart art graphics. So this will useful in your presentation. So in this way also, if you want to show about anything, so you can explain. So again, insert smart art. So if you want to explain the percentage wise, so here if you want to explain, so this much amount of cement is present in this, like that, or like M20 grade concrete is there. I am changing the font size. So like M20 grade concrete, and so mix proportion 1:1.5:3, like that. So next M25, if you want to explain anything like that, or else any chemical composition, so this much percentage of silica is there, this much percentage of alumina is there, this much percentage of oxides are there, like that. If you want to explain anything, you can go for this pyramid graphic, so that from smaller to high, like that, or in this way or this way also. So you have different options here, so you can use that in your slides. So like this you can use different smart arts into your slides. So there are different options here, so you can use based on your requirement, based on your topic. So this is about how to insert the various smart art graphics into our slides to look the slide good, and to make the people understand your slide good, and it will be attractive, and as well as it will be catchy, and it will look very good. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Civilka Adda 1M, and don't forget to share to your friends. Thank you all.